Welcome students, welcome to Narayana live classes. So today we are here to discuss about the given assignment, which is assignment number 6, and the chapter is atomic structure, and this is not a complete atomic structure, this is the basics of the topic. And let us see the questions given. The chemical formula of a sulfur dioxide is, sulfur dioxide means the formula is SO2. So here this third option is correct. Let us see, this is CO2 is carbon dioxide, SO3 is sulfur trioxide, carbon dioxide, and SO3 is sulfur trioxide, HCl is hydrochloric acid, HCl is hydrochloric acid. It is also present in the gaseous form. So when it is present in the gaseous form, it cannot act as a acid, then we call it as hydrogen chloride, call it as hydrogen chloride. Which of the following is a metal oxide? Metal oxides are those which are formed when a metal reacts with oxygen, then forms MO, metal oxide. Okay. Here, so if it is a 1A group elements, it forms M2O. If it is a second A group elements, it forms MO. Okay, like that, so on. But the first atom should be metal, the second atom should be reaction with oxygen. Okay, let us see. In zinc oxide, zinc is a metal and oxygen oxide from the oxide. So Zn plus 2 O minus 2, it forms zinc oxide, ZnO. So following is a metal oxide, first one is correct. Next, SO3, sulfur is a non-metal and oxygen is a non-metal. So here you can say this is a non-metal oxide. SO3 is a non-metal oxide. Sulfur trioxide is a non-metal oxide. Similarly, SO2 is also a non-metal oxide. Sulfur dioxide is also a non-metal oxide. HCl, if it is in the liquid state, then it is acid. Gaseous state, it is gas. Gaseous state, it is a gas, it is not acting as a acid. Okay. Next, the chemical formula of magnesium sulfide is, chemical formula of magnesium sulfide. Magnesium sulfide means magnesium generally loses 2 electrons to form Mg plus 2 ion. Magnesium is electropositive and it is second group element, therefore it loses 2 electrons. Then sulfur is a 6th A group element which requires 2 more electrons to gain the octet, therefore it forms S minus 2 electronegative element. So on crisscross it forms Mg2S2, but we simplify it and write it as MgS, magnesium sulfide. But first one also we will see, CaS is calcium sulfide. Next, PbS, lead sulfide, HGS, mercury sulfide, Next, third question, what is the chemical formula of nitrate? The chemical formula of nitrate is, this is a direct question, generally it is referred nitrates of potassium or sodium, generally we refer it as nitrate. So here in most particular reference we call KNO3 as nitrate, potassium nitrate is called as nitrate, potassium nitrate. It is also called as Chile saltpetre. Okay. Next, water is a element, compound or mixture. Let us see. Water has a formula H2O. So since there are two elements mixed in it, it is definitely not an element. Then there are more than two elements, therefore it is a compound. Okay. and as I said, it is not a mixture because hydrogen and oxygen on electric spark or electric discharge, then only the hydrogen molecules combine with oxygen molecules to form water. Normally, if you observe, in the air there are hydrogen molecules as well as oxygen molecules. Then why not all the hydrogen molecules are combining with all the oxygen molecules and forming the water? This reaction is a very slow reaction and it is not possible in normal conditions. Only during the process of lightning or thunderstorms, due to that electric spark produced, the hydrogen gas and oxygen gas may combine and form water. Otherwise the reaction simply is not an easy task. Okay, so therefore it is a compound. The last question, which of the following is are compounds? So here again there are three elements: hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen. Here again there are aluminum and chlorine, two different elements are chemically reacting. Next here there are two different elements, mercury and sulfur. So all of this examples, they all have two or more than two elements in them chemically reacted to form compound. So all of this would be the correct answer. Okay, so thank you. Let us see in the next session.